A lot of focus on Irma down there and the devastation that they've been seeing and what we're going to find out about Florida. And up here, it's been gorgeous and pretty much perfect.
Right, and that's the thing. Oftentimes with a storm this strong, it kind of takes the energy, and the rest of the country, it's quiet. And that has been the case across North Texas. Very quiet weather. Opposite case, of course, as we take our eyes to the southeast, Florida still dealing with Category 2 Hurricane Irma as she continues to circulate there, moving closer. That center of circulation moving closer to Tampa will stay just off to the east of Tampa. So really expecting it to push between Orlando and Tampa over the next couple of hours. Of course, there's many elements with a hurricane. You've got the storm surge, which most of Florida has already been dealing with, especially along the coast. You've got the heavy rainfall. This is just some estimations over the past 12 hours. You can see in those yellow portions between Orlando and Daytona Beach, 7 to 10 inches of rainfall, and there's still more to go. In fact, across the northern half of the state, they could be talking about up to 10 inches. Additionally, looking ahead to tonight and into tomorrow. Wind gusts have been on the very, very high side as we check in on some of these numbers right now. Close to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Fort Pierce, Daytona Beach, almost 70 mile per hour winds, and Tampa as well. The heaviest of those winds, hurricane force winds, which is 74 miles per hour or greater. The heart of that continues to travel just off to the west of Orlando, pushing closer to Tallahassee before we will see those winds dying down. But still, even at that point, the entire state dealing with tropical storm force winds. So it is going to remain an active situation there. Atlanta might even get in on some of those tropical force winds. Here in North Texas, as we're talking about the quiet weather continuing, it does today, hitting high temperature of 87 degrees, average this time of the year 90 degrees, record high today 101. Our numbers right now very pleasant, again dropping back into the 70s quickly tonight, 74, 75 degrees as we check in across the metroplex. Our winds out of the northeast certainly help us out as well, keeping a very dry air mass in place. Now, moving on through the next couple of days, remnants of Irma will spread rain across the mid-south. High pressure back to the west will be able to finally push in as Irma makes an exit late in the week. So what does that mean for us? Eventual warming as we get into Wednesday, Thursday. We're talking about 90s, nothing too extreme, maybe a little more what you might expect this time in the year. For tonight, 65 degrees, clear sky. Looking ahead tomorrow, we'll have a little repeat. Mostly sunny sky, pretty day, 87 degrees. Your extended forecast warming up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, close to 100. So the heat's certainly not done with us just yet.